Philosophy. It's a word that might conjure images of bearded men in togas, pondering the meaning of life under a Grecian sun. And while that's not entirely inaccurate, philosophy is much more than an ancient Greek pastime. It has evolved and expanded over centuries, influencing countless aspects of human thought and culture. It's a way of thinking, a pursuit of wisdom, a quest for understanding the fundamental nature of reality, knowledge, and our place in the cosmos. It encourages us to look beyond the surface and delve into the deeper meanings of existence. At its heart, philosophy is about asking questions. Big questions. Questions that challenge our perceptions and push the boundaries of our understanding. Questions like, what is the nature of reality? What is the essence of being? Or how do we know what we know? What is the basis of our knowledge and beliefs? Questions that don't have easy answers, but are nonetheless essential to our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. These questions drive us to explore, to think critically, and to seek out new perspectives. Philosophy is a journey of exploration, a process of critical thinking and rigorous analysis. It's a discipline that encourages us to question the status quo and to seek out the truth, no matter how complex or elusive it may be. It's about challenging assumptions, examining beliefs, and seeking truth wherever it may lie. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that adapts to the changing landscape of human thought. And while the answers may be elusive, the pursuit itself is deeply rewarding. Philosophy is for everyone. It invites all of us to engage in the quest for knowledge and understanding. It's not confined to dusty libraries or ivory towers. It's a living, breathing discipline that permeates every aspect of our lives. It's a living, breathing discipline that continues to shape our world today. From ethics to politics, from science to art, philosophy influences the way we think, the way we live, and the way we interact with the world around us. Philosophy grapples with life's most fundamental questions, questions that have intrigued and perplexed thinkers for centuries. These questions are not just academic exercises, they touch on the very essence of human existence. What is the meaning of life? This question has been asked in countless ways in every culture and in every era. What is the nature of consciousness? Is it merely a product of our brain's physical processes, or is there something more? Do we have free will, or are our actions predetermined? This question challenges our understanding of autonomy and responsibility. These are just a few examples of the profound inquiries that philosophy seeks to address. Each question opens up a myriad of other questions and possibilities. These questions may seem abstract, but they have profound implications for how we live our lives. They influence our decisions, our relationships, and our sense of purpose. Our understanding of the nature of reality shapes our worldview. It affects how we perceive the world and our place within it. Our beliefs about knowledge influence how we learn and interpret information. They determine what we consider to be true and how we seek out new knowledge. And our ethical principles guide our actions and interactions with others. They help us navigate the complexities of human relationships and societal norms. Philosophy provides a framework for exploring these questions in a systematic and rigorous way. It offers tools and methods for critical thinking and analysis. It encourages us to think critically, to question assumptions, and to consider different perspectives. This process can lead to greater wisdom and insight. Through philosophical inquiry, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe, and the complexities of the human condition. This journey of exploration and discovery is what makes philosophy so profoundly enriching. Like any vast and ancient discipline, philosophy is divided into branches, each focusing on a particular aspect of human inquiry. These branches have evolved over centuries, reflecting the changing concerns and questions of humanity. These branches, though distinct, are interconnected, forming a rich tapestry of thought. Each branch contributes to a broader understanding, much like threads in a complex and beautiful fabric. Metaphysics, often considered the first philosophy, delves into the nature of reality. What exists? What is the fundamental nature of the universe? What is the difference between appearance and reality? Is there a God? These profound questions have intrigued thinkers for millennia, pushing the boundaries of human understanding. These are just a few of the questions that keep metaphysicians awake at night. Their quest for answers often leads to new and unexpected insights about the world and our place in it. Epistemology, the theory of knowledge, examines the nature of knowledge itself. It asks fundamental questions about the nature and scope of human understanding. What does it mean to know something? How do we acquire knowledge, and what are its limits? What are the sources of knowledge? Are our senses reliable, or do they deceive us? How can we be sure that our beliefs are justified? These questions are central to epistemology and have significant implications for science, religion, and everyday life. These questions are crucial for understanding the limits and possibilities of human knowledge. They help us navigate the complex landscape of information and belief. Ethics, the branch of philosophy concerned with morality, explores questions of right and wrong, good and bad. It seeks to understand the principles that guide our actions and decisions. What makes an action right or wrong? How do we determine what is morally acceptable? What is the nature of justice? Is it an absolute concept, or does it vary across cultures and societies? How should we live our lives? These ethical questions shape our personal and collective values, influencing laws, policies, and social norms. These questions lie at the heart of our moral decision-making and shape our understanding of a just and equitable society. They challenge us to reflect on our actions and their impact on others. Logic, the study of reasoning, provides the tools for clear and rigorous thinking. It is the foundation of rational discourse and critical analysis. It teaches us how to construct valid arguments, identify fallacies, and distinguish between sound and unsound reasoning. Logic is essential for effective communication and problem-solving. Logic is essential for all branches of philosophy and is a valuable tool for critical thinking in everyday life. It empowers us to make informed decisions and engage in meaningful dialogue.